Gnomies. The Gnomesteader here. Wait, wait, wait. Where do you see this? You ain't gonna believe it. Got something for ya. It's like gonna be too good to be true. I'm telling ya. And we got giveaways. Bam! Bam! Who else does this? And I tell you what, Gnomies, if you don't know what this is, oh my goodness. Oh, oh, oh my goodness. Oh, 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 oh my goodness. So, make sure you check out the YouTube channel, because all this stuff's coming. Oh, I'm so excited. And yes, folks, there's more, because you're going to see what's underneath this. Right here. Right here. On the, you're going to see it. Can you please do one thing for the Gnomesteader? It's really easy. And this is how you do it.
Wouldn't you like to be, click the subscribe down on the bottom. Click the like button down on the bottom. Or make a comment down on the bottom. Peace out.